Hi there, Lucian Pershinsky with Portage Discount Homes. Let's take a look at the options a person has when facing the foreclosure process. Also, how some important foreclosure prevention options have changed recently and what impacts they could have on someone facing foreclosure today. Reports have shown that most individuals facing foreclosure do not know what options they have. Here are 7 options individuals have to save their credit and possibly their home when facing a foreclosure. Option number 1, loan reinstatement. Reinstatement occurs when the loan is brought current by paying the total amount past due. After being served with a notice of default, you have the full right to reinstate your loan for a period of 90 days. Option number 2 is a forbearance plan. Forbearance is a formal written agreement between you and the bank to reduce or suspend your monthly payments for a specific predetermined period of time. Option number 3 is to sell your house to a cash buyer. If your home is worth more than the amount that you owe, you have the option to sell your home fast to a cash buyer. These are often real estate investors or real estate redevelopers that have a large amount of cash and can close very quickly on your house, not having to wait for their loan to be qualified. It's a fast way to sell your house and pay off your lender and avoid foreclosure. Option number 4 is to sell by a short sale. If you owe more than your house is worth, you can apply with your lender to sell your home through a short sale. A short sale occurs when a property is sold for less than what is needed to pay off any loans. The lender cancels the additional amount owed. I put here the Mortgage Forgiveness Relief Act of 2007 because prior to this act, if you sold your house through a short sale and the lender forgave a certain amount of money, you would be sent a 1099 from that lender and be required to pay income tax on the amount of money that you were forgiven from your loan. That can be significant. Well, this Mortgage Relief Act was put in place so that individuals can complete a short sale and not be held liable to pay an income tax on the amount of money that was forgiven off of their loan. It's very important that you know that this is set to expire at the end of 2012. Number 5, file for bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a temporary solution and should always be a last resort. It will typically only prolong the foreclosure and won't help you avoid the foreclosure altogether. Number 6 is a deed in lieu of foreclosure. This strategy allows the borrower to sign the deed back over to the bank before the foreclosure proceedings, provided the borrower does not qualify for any of the other foreclosure alternatives, such as a loan modification or short sale or a forbearance plan. And number 7 is a loan modification. A loan modification changes the terms of the original mortgage in one or more of the following ways. Permanent change of the interest rate. For example, if the individual has a 7% interest rate on their current loan, the bank might qualify that to be set at today's interest rates of maybe 4% and stay fixed. Capitalization of delinquent principal. This can be very significant. Or extension of the loan term. HAMP stands for Home Affordable Modification Program, was put into effect on November 30th, 2009 by the U.S. Treasury. This is for loans originated before January of 2009, and it's again for principal residences. Currently, we're dealing with a large settlement of close to $25 billion for the 5 biggest lenders in our country. Of this money, if this settlement goes through, billions of dollars will be set aside for state and federal foreclosure avoidance programs such as HAMP. We here at Portage Discount Homes help individuals all over Portage County, Ohio to avoid foreclosure. If you'd like a free consultation to discuss your options, call us today at 330-800-9222. To receive a free copy of our special report titled 5 Ways to Stop Foreclosure in Its Tracks in 48 Hours or Less, visit www.stopforeclosureportage.com. Again, our contact information is 330-800-9222 or visit us on the web at stopforeclosureportage.com. We'll talk soon.